Hi guys, so today we are going to make chocolate ice cream using this Nestle Milkmaid. So let's have a quick glance of the pack. This is 380 gram pack, MRP is 144 rupees and you get 8 months of shelf life. For making chocolate ice cream we need chocolate. I have this choco chip, you can get dairy milk and make tiny pieces of that. And I have got this milk cream at home and we are going to make whipped cream out of this. I've got whip mode in my mixer, so my job is easy. You can use hand blenders also, but there it takes about 10 minutes. So whenever you whip the cream, make sure the jar and the cream both should be chilled. Whip it until it turns out to be a thick creamy texture with soft peaks. So this is how the texture of whipped cream should be. Now in the same jar, add Milkmaid. Ratio of the cream and the Milkmaid is 2:1. 2 cup of cream and 1 cup of Milkmaid. Now pour half of the choco chip, remaining half we are going to use later. Now whisk and our ice cream mixture is ready. We did not add any sugar because condensed milk has got the perfect sweetness. Cover it and seal it properly with a cling sheet. This will ensure no ice crust is formed on the top. Now freeze your ice cream for at least 4 hours, but if you want a perfect creamy texture, freeze it overnight. Look at this, it's so creamy and rich. So you also give a try to this recipe and subscribe for more such videos.